Alright, so Aditi and me decided to get out of the town this Sunday and just get out in the nature and go for a quick drive. So we picked a place called Tokarwadi Dam, and it was amazingly beautiful, and I think you will enjoy the rest of the video. Uh, Aditi visited a beautiful temple while I was fixing up my GoPro, and moving forward you would see some good videos and photos that we captured on Sunday. So this is the first gaon that you'll hit, Vadeshwar gaon, and you got to keep going straight from there. And here comes Superman now. So a fun fact about this place is this has the most number of waterfalls in Maharashtra. So again, wonderful place to visit.
Hi.
What's up, baby? So try coming early so you can avoid a lot of traffic. The later you come, the more people, the more cars that are parked, so harder for you to get out. So now the dam starts to your right hand side, and you can actually cross the entire dam across and come back to the highway. It's a beautiful drive with one side water and the other side covered with waterfalls.